everyone. I have 12 amazing pieces from Walmart to share with you this month. This video is sponsored by Walmart. A few things you should know before we get into the meat of this video. I have told you, of course, that this video is already sponsored. Everything is listed down in the description box where it says, I think it says show more. Depends if you're watching this on a desktop or mobile, but there's a chance for you to expand either up by the title or down under my head. And in there, I've listed my actual measurements, my height, and then in order of how I'm describing it here in the video, all the pieces, links, prices, sizing, all the info that you need to make an informed decision if you want to grab any of these things for yourself. I also have tons of notes. I have a notebook that I wrote out and then I printed out some stuff. So if you see me glancing down, I just want to make sure I get all the information out to you. So let's start with outfit number one. If you follow me on stories, you may have seen some or all of this already. I decided to start sharing on stories ahead of time because I can't often get the video up like the day that I receive the pieces. In case things sell out, I like to give sneak peeks over on stories. So this may have a deja vu feeling to some of you. So outfit number one are these straight leg linen pants from Free Assembly. And when I shared these on stories, as I was looking at them in the mirror, I thought, these are amazing. And I immediately went and ordered a second pair. So I have them in the ivory and I also have them in black. They do come in 4 colors. The other two are more like a pastel. To me, they remind me of almost like candy colors. There's a pale mint green and sort of a sky blue color. The cream pants that I have are not see-through. You can see the outline, like if you tuck in your shirt, you're gonna see the outline of that shirt, but as long as you wear the properly nude tone underwear, you're good to go. I even embarrassingly did a panty test during stories where I bent over and shoved my rear end into the camera. You could see a wrinkle where I didn't steam the linen so well, but they are not see-through. If you just get your skin toned underwear, you're good to go. These are incredibly comfortable. I have paired them here with just a basic tank top. This could be my summer uniform. I'm not a big uniform person, but this is so casual and cool and a little chic. I'm not a shorts person, although I do have a pair of shorts to share with you later. So if you don't like shorts or short dresses, but you want to stay cool, as long as you're in a linen or linen blend, doesn't matter if it's long sleeve or pants, you're gonna stay cool. These are amazing. They are $24 and the sizes range from extra small through to triple XL. And I think that's pretty much the case in all of the clothes that I am sharing. And I'm personally wearing them in a size small. Now I know I just said I don't like wearing shorts, and I generally do not, but once in a while the situation arises where shorts are called for. And I found a great pair, and I figured out that the key to why I like them so much is that the denim is really lightweight. It's a very thin fabric, so you don't have that heavy binding feeling that you often get when you wear other kinds of denim shorts. I did size up technically 2. So right now I am a solid size 4, but the scoop sizing range says 4'6". So I decided to jump up to an 8. They are a little bit big in the waist. I don't care because the rest feel great. So if you're not sure, definitely size up at least 1 in a pair of shorts. I think you'll feel a lot more comfortable that way. But I love these. I love the little details, a little notch, excuse me, on the sides of the legs, gives a little just interest to it. And I love the weight of these. If you're looking for a pair of shorts, I recommend these. They are $24. I'm wearing them in the wash called Surf. There are 4 washes. Some are lighter. This one is the darkest. 1 or 2 have distressing, 1 or 2 don't. So there's something for everyone. And they run sizes 0 to 22. So in really nice size range as well. This next outfit is technically 2 pieces. They are not sold as a set, but they definitely go together. So let's talk about the pants first. They are 100% cotton, so they're a heavier weight. They're not linen, but I love how they drape in spite of that. They're a wide leg, slightly cropped, elastic waist with a drawstring, pockets. They come in 4 colors. They call this shade Fig, which is, I guess, sort of like an orangey coral. They come in 3 colors, white, black, and this color that they're calling Fig, which is sort of like an orange coral shade. They are super comfortable. They feel very casual, But when you pair it with the matching twist tank top, so the tank top, one strap is a normal strap on a tank, the other one has a slight twist to it. I wore a normal bra with this, but if you're concerned about the strap showing where it twists, you could either take some tape and tape it down so it's not shifting. You could go strapless if you want. I felt like when you paired the two of them together, especially once I tucked the top in, it looked like a pretty sophisticated set. It feels like a jumpsuit with the benefit of having two pieces. I feel like this outfit would be great for road tripping, but if you switch it up a little bit and maybe wore some pumps and threw a little structured blazer over it, I feel like you could pull this off at work as well. The pants are $20 and they come in sizes extra small through XXL. I'm wearing them in a size small. And the top is $14, also comes sizes extra small to XXL, but it comes in 4 colors instead of 3. So it has the 3 that I mentioned, white, black, and the fig. And then it also has a pastel blue and white stripe. So that would look really cute with a pair of white jeans or white denim cutoff shorts or whatever you feel like pairing it with. We are now moving into the skirts and dresses portion of the video, and then we're gonna end with a couple of accessories, but let's talk about this eyelet midi skirt. I had something similar years ago and decluttered it, and now I have this and I love this one even more. It has a really nice A-line, almost kind of bell shape to it. I'm wearing it in a size small. It's $34 and comes in 2 colors, white or black. It has a removable belt. You'll see it pictured with, they tie it in a bow. I personally prefer to just take it off and wear it without the bow or without the belt, but that's, you know, personal preference. It also comes in sizes extra small through XXL. I'm pretty sure I mentioned I'm wearing it in a small. You can pair this with so many things. I just wore this with a basic white tank top so you could just really focus on the skirt, but how cute would this be paired with like a light chambray button down top, sort of tied at the waist. I could see wearing this with a bright red top, sort of a 4th of July kind of thing going. It's just a really versatile piece. I love the pockets. You can see the outline of the pockets, but you cannot see your undergarments as long as you're wearing nude colored underwear. It is fully lined, which is really nice as well. So next we have this tank dress, and I want to call it a striped tank dress, but it does come in 4 options. So 2 options are striped. There's this one, and then there's a black and white stripe, and then there's 2 solid options, a bright pink and navy. So you have your options there. And I'll admit, when I first tried this on in stories, I wasn't sure about it, but when I paired it with a different kind of shoe with a stacked heel, now I love it. It is the perfect everyday run around summer kind of dress. It's very comfortable. I'm wearing it in a size small. It is just under $17. It is $16.98. It has pockets, just like everything else I pretty much shared. It runs sizes extra small to XXL. And I also think it'd be really cute if you want to dress it up a little bit and put a belt on, give a little dimension. It's just a nice, easy, go-to everyday casual dress. I do want to point out that I am wearing a racer back bra, which would probably work best with this, but not the bra that I am wearing. The bra that I'm wearing, you're going to see a little bit later on in a different outfit, but it is actually ivory. It is not nude, and you can definitely see it. But I am wearing nude underwear, and those you cannot see. So it just depends on the color undergarments you're wearing, at least in this pastel blue white stripe one. Just be sure you're wearing nude and not like off-white or any other color, because then you'll definitely see it. We have another tank style dress. This I'm calling a dip dyed tank dress. It has these nice little ruffle sleeve details. Still wearing that racer back bra, which is the wrong bra for this, but I think you get it. Once you put on a racer back bra, you don't want to have to keep taking it on and off. They're not as easy to put on as a more traditional strap. So I kept this on throughout the try on. I initially didn't love this dress, but when I came out and showed it to my husband, he was like, wow, you look amazing in this dress. Just ignore the bad ironing or lack of ironing that I did on this dress. I do think the color itself is beautiful. I love the red sort of fading down to a deeper reddish black almost. It does come in a variety of other colors, 1 or 2 that are solid. So if you don't like that kind of ombre dip dyed look, you have some other options. Love that it has pockets. Again, sizes extra small to triple XL. I have it in the small and it is $19.98. I rarely tell you that you need to go out and buy something. There are two things I'm gonna talk about in this video that I feel like if you can get them, get them. And this dress is one of them. This is an eyelet, puff sleeve, V-neck, high-low, yes, dress, fully lined, bodice all the way down with pockets. It comes in 3 colors, white, black, and red. I feel like the red is stunning. That was my first choice. It is sold out in my size. I'm wearing it in a size small. The black looks like it's selling out quickly, and when I checked this morning, the white was fully stocked, but you never know with Walmart, so that's why I shared it a little bit earlier on stories. It has pockets, sizes extra small to triple XL. It just pulls over the head. There's no zipper or anything like that. It is $40. This thing is a statement. It is gorgeous. Definitely an event type dress. You could easily wear this to a wedding, a graduation, if you can snatch it up in white. It is great for brides for the summer, for showers and things like that. I felt so beautiful in this dress. I love that it's a bit structured on the bottom. It holds its shape, so it feels like there's movement even when you're not. They just hit it out of the ballpark with this one, and I absolutely love it. The last try on that I have for you, when I saw this on the website, I did think this was a dress. I'm getting major JLo vibes from this one, but this is in fact a swimsuit cover-up. Yes, I'm gonna wear it as a dress. And if I do go on vacation this year and end up at some very cool resort style pool, I will wear this swimsuit cover-up and feel pretty glamorous doing so. So this size range is a little different. I'm wearing it in a size small medium. There's extra large, and double XL/triple XL. So it does run into the plus sizes. There are 3 color sort of options. The one you're seeing here is that orange and blue swirl. There's also just a solid bright pink, and then a completely sheer white with big white dots all over it. So it just depends on what you want to wear. I think the sheer one is definitely going to look like a swimsuit cover-up, whereas the other 2 solid options, you could definitely pull off wearing this as a dress. I'm wearing like a Free People style, I don't think it's free, no, it's not Free People, but it's a Free People style type bralette under it because the back is open. I did order a bodysuit from the Sofia Vergara line at Walmart. I'll pop in a picture to wear under it. That I think would look really cool. Like if it shows, it's not gonna be a big deal. It's just cool. It has a tie up on the top at the neck and then a big bow at the waist. It has slits on in front of either leg. The movement on this is amazing. This is definitely a statement piece, whether you're wearing it at a pool or you're wearing it out for the evening. I think it would look amazing with gold strappy sandals. It's a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to wear it out of my house. Now, I do have one dress, this is the pre-order that I was talking about, that I don't have to share with you. I saw it on the website, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is stunning, it is beautiful. It is not gonna go out for delivery until late June. I have a feeling it's gonna sell out before it even becomes available to just order like as if it's in stock. So there are 2 options. The one I ordered is bright pink with sort of an orange trim, and then there's also black with white trim. It is a 3/4 sleeve length. I love the tiers. I know I just sort of went off on that eyelet skirt saying I don't like usually the belts that come with it. In this case, it's definitely part of the dress. Like I think it really makes the dress having that bow. It is so cute. I ordered it in a size small. It does come extra small through triple XL, and it is priced at $39, and I would get your order in. I think it's gonna be a beautiful dress for the summer. Now I have 2 accessories I wanna share with you. The first one is this little cutie. I'm sure you've seen a variety of this all over Instagram. It is a small straw crescent bag. It technically comes, well, it does come with a strap, so you can clip it on. There's clips here, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, but honestly, I would not do that. I would just carry it like this. There is a larger version of this, slightly larger, not a whole lot larger. This option comes in 3 colors, natural, black, and pink. It's $26. I haven't tried to remove this satin part. I think it's just part of it. When I wear this out, I'm just gonna carry it like this. It is sort of lined. It's hard to tell, but there is a zip pocket on one side. but it is wide open. So my suggestion is whatever you want to carry in here, aside from your phone, put a little pouch inside it so your whole world isn't, you know, open to everyone's business. But I just think this makes a cute little fun occasion bag. The other bag that I shared earlier on stories, and I feel is the other piece that if you can buy this, you're gonna love it, is this bag. And I recently wore this to a graduation party, and everybody there, all the women anyway, asked me where I got it and could I send them the link. So it's this woven kind of, you know, straw raffia bag. It comes with this resin handle. It also comes in 3 colors, this natural black and a hot bright pink. What I love about this is I just love these 2 details. I would just carry it like this, but you can fit it over your shoulder. But it also comes with a detachable crossbody strap. I got rid of it. But my point is you could attach whatever strap you like on here. And so the strap would attach to these little gold rings here. And then this would hang and just be a little decorative piece. You could also carry this like a clutch, and this could just be a decorative piece. But what I like is it does shut, but when it opens like a doctor's bag, and it's really big inside. There's a lot of room. There's a huge zipper that's the full length of the bag, and then there is 1 slip pocket here, and the whole thing is lined. So you can fit a bunch of stuff in here. This bag is incredible. Did I mention it is $40? I don't think you're gonna find a cuter or more actual useful summer bag than this one. I love it. It's so much fun. And it's from a brand that nobody talks about at Walmart called Twig and Arrow, and they make the best bags and accessories. So I will link not just to this bag, but the whole Twig and Arrow line at Walmart, and I think you will be very pleasantly surprised. Well, that's it for this month's haul from Walmart. Some absolutely standout pieces this time. Remember, everything is listed down in the description box with everything you need to know to get more information and make some good decisions. If anything in particular has caught your eye or you already have any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you and getting that back and forth. It just makes the whole thing a lot of fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.